Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. This is going to be a short one. We just wanted to reveal our real and tire setup. These are Superspeed RF06 RRs, 18s by 9.5 with plus 42 offset on all corners. These wheels are super strong and super light. They only weigh 19 pounds each in our size. For tires, we wanted to go with Yokohama 8009s, 245s all around. We haven't had a chance to try them on a track yet, but we already love how grippy these tires are. We are currently sitting at negative 3.5 degrees of camber front and rear, but we'll be dialing that back as we get closer to our first track day, possibly going with negative 3 at the front and 2.5 at the rear. Feel free to let us know what you think about our setup and fitment. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. In the next episode, we're going to be upgrading the brakes with new discs and pads, new brake lines, and racing brake fluid. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.